Looking for a way to make some extra cash? If you're throwing out your receipts today without scanning them, then you're just throwing out some money. Here are two options to make easy cash or gift cards from those receipts you're throwing out. Fetch is the first option. Fetch allows you to scan your receipts that convert into points, later into gift cards at most major retailers. You can get your account started with a bunch of free points here via this referral code, also available in the description and in the comments below. Fetch is great because it almost works on every type of receipt. The second option, Ibotta, works the same way as Fetch, but primarily is focused on grocery purchases and retail. Ibotta pays out in cash or gift cards. You can get $5 in your account by using this referral code, also available below in the description and in the comments. When you make money on Ibotta, you generally make a lot more than you will on Fetch, but I recommend using both. A good example of using both is on a purchase of OxyClean that I made recently at Costco. The box of OxyClean was $20 and had a $5.90 off discount at Costco automatically. Ibotta also gave me $5.90 back in cash, and Fetch gave me about $4 back in points. So the box of OxyClean cost me less than $5. Check them both out and get your free referral codes below to get a head start on your accounts. And let me know if you have any questions or in how it goes in the comments below. Good luck to everyone.